Looking to automate customer segmentation on your PrestaShop store? Addify Automatic Customer Group Switcher module makes it effortless. This powerful tool automatically assigns customers to specific groups based on their order history, total spent amount, or number of orders. No manual work required. Whether you're managing retail and wholesale customers or offering loyalty-based discounts, this module ensures each customer is placed in the right group at the right time. Getting started with module configuration. Let's head to the back end for configuration. Navigate to Modules, Module Manager. Locate Addify Automatic Customer Group Switcher. Click Configure to access the settings. Go to General Settings. Begin by activating the module from the General Settings tab. Let's go to the Rules section to create unlimited customer group switcher rules. View a complete list of previously created rules. Edit any rule by selecting it and clicking Edit. View detailed history of customer group changes in the History list. Click View to inspect the customer group change records. Delete individual history records as needed. Perform bulk actions including activation, deactivation, or deletion of multiple rules simultaneously. To create a new rule, click the plus Add New Rule button. Toggle Enable to activate the rule. Enter a rule name for future reference. Set a priority for rule execution. Choose rule type. Assign groups. Automatically adds the customer to an additional group when conditions are met. The customer remains in their original group and is also added to the new group. Switch groups. Replaces the customer's current group with the one defined in the rule based on specific conditions like order history or behavior. Select the current group and assign groups from the available list. You may choose multiple groups as needed. Set rule conditions. Add one or more conditions to define when the rule should apply. For example, if you select On Product as a condition, search and select specific products. If you select On Category as a condition, select all or specific categories from the list. If you select On Order Amount as a condition, set minimum and maximum order values, and many more condition types. Choose whether the rule should apply when all conditions are met or when any condition is met. Additionally, you can enable or disable email alerts for both customers and admins by enabling email notification. Add multiple admin email addresses for notification. Set start and end dates for the rule. Define a group duration limit in days. Click on Save to save the rule. To see the module in action, go to the customer account details in the back end. You'll see how the module automatically updates the customer's group based on the conditions set. This module not only saves valuable admin time, but also ensures accurate and dynamic customer segmentation, helping you deliver targeted pricing, promotions, and experiences. Ready to automate your customer group management? Let's get started with Addify Customer Group Switcher module.